Homemade Falafel Fiesta Eid Mubarak, Eid Festival Special, Eid Mubarak, affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, in the spirit of Eid festivities, we have something truly special planned for you. We're going to make a homemade falafel fiesta that's perfect for celebrating Eid with family and friends. And the best part? It's affordable and easy, perfect for beginners. So, let's dive right in. First, let's go through the ingredients we'll need for our delicious falafel fiesta. 1. 2 cups dried chickpeas, soaked overnight. 2. 1 small onion, roughly chopped. 3. 3 cloves of garlic. 4. 1 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 5. 1 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 6. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 7. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 8. Half teaspoon baking soda. 9. Salt to taste. 10. Vegetable oil for frying. Before we begin, make sure your chickpeas have been soaked overnight. This helps them soften up for the perfect falafel texture. 1. Drain and rinse the soaked chickpeas thoroughly. 2. In a food processor, combine the chickpeas, onion, garlic, parsley, cilantro, cumin, coriander, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. 3. Pulse the mixture until it forms a coarse paste. Be careful not to over-process, we want some texture in our falafel. 4. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, cover it, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Chilling helps the mixture firm up, making it easier to shape into falafel balls. 5. After chilling, take small portions of the mixture and shape them into small balls or patties. You can use your hands or a falafel scoop for uniformity. Now that our falafel mixture is ready, let's move on to the cooking process. 1. Heat vegetable oil in a deep frying pan or pot over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking. 2. Carefully place the falafel balls into the hot oil, ensuring they're not overcrowded. Fry them in batches if necessary. 3. Cook the falafel for about 4 to 5 minutes, flipping them occasionally, until they're golden brown and crispy on all sides. 4. Once cooked, remove the falafel from the oil using a slotted spoon and transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. And now, the best part, serving our homemade falafel fiesta. 1. Serve the falafel hot alongside some fresh pita bread or naan. 2. You can also serve them with a variety of accompaniments such as hummus, tzatziki, tahini sauce, or a simple yogurt dip. 3. Garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and flavor. 4. And there you have it, a delicious homemade falafel fiesta that's perfect for celebrating Eid with your loved ones. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today as we whipped up this amazing falafel fiesta. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. We hope you give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and Eid Mubarak.